Good morning, children. How are you all? I think all are fine, no? All are watching the videos? Very good. Watch carefully. And what are the work I am giving to you? You should do it. Okay. If you don't know, you can ask your parents. Because you are the small children, no? Then you can take care of, ask your parents. They will help you. Okay. Take the help of your parents. Okay. Next. So what we are discussing now? You know our lesson name? Forgotten? Yeah, don't forget it. What we are discussing about what is our lesson name? I am growing up. This is only now. Yeah, I am growing up. I am growing up. We are discussing this topic now. Yeah, last 2-3 days onwards we are discussing about this topic only. So in that topic I taught about the living things, characteristic features of living things, how the living things to grow, how the living things are growing. Again, yesterday I taught about the hobbies. Okay, hobbies and then importance of hobbies. Again, some examples of hobbies. Today we will discuss more about the hobbies. Okay, so yesterday we just write the some examples now. Today we are going to discuss about the different types of hobbies. Okay, different people are having different types of hobbies. So what are the special hobbies are there? Some special hobbies are there. We are going to discuss now. Okay, some special hobbies. So some special hobbies. Some special hobbies we are discussing now. Some special hobbies. Listen now. Different people have different types of different kinds of hobbies. Cycling. Okay, cycling. Next, swimming. Knitting. 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 Do you know about knitting? What is the meaning of knitting? No? Means making cloth. Making cloth. Making cloth. Using a thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. A thread or wool. So what is the meaning of knitting? Means making cloth using a thread or wool. Okay. So compulsory if you want clothes, no, automatically we have to knit them. Okay, we want thread. For making cloth purpose, we want a thread. Without thread, how we can make a cloth? So that is why knitting is also one kind of a hobby. Next, I taught about the gardening. Gardening is the good hobby. Okay, so better when you have habituated this gardening hobby, no, to many uses are there. For example, it is giving beautifulness to you, to your house. Gardening is a very important and a good hobby. So when you are having that habit of gardening, automatically it is giving beautifulness to your house. Not only that, and when you are gardening, you are planting different kinds of plants now, automatically you are getting the fresh air. Okay, so better to habituate this habit of gardening. Next, listen, swimming. Swimming also good hobby. Why? Because you know, swimming also good hobby. So when you are swimming, automatically it is giving physical fitness to our body, and with fun, with interest you are swimming, no, then automatically both purpose, your body active, strength, okay, healthy purpose, it is useful. Like gardening, the swimming also good hobby, giving physical exercise to our body. Moreover, with fun, you are swimming. Okay. Here, pictures are given in your textbook. 3 pictures are given in your textbook. Looking now here, 3 pictures are given. So in first picture, okay, there is no name. So we will put one name to that girl. Okay. So what that name? Which name? We will keep the how happily she is dancing now. So her name okay, Kushi. Kushi is dancing. Okay, dancing with the music is coming now. Yeah, she loves music. She loves music, and that is why she is listening that music and she is dancing. Okay, 2 hobbies are there here. So listening to music, automatically she is dancing there. Okay, so 2 hobbies. Next, listen about second picture. Okay, so what is the second picture? What is this boy? What this boy is doing? Yeah, that boy is taking the snap, taking the picture. Okay, taking the photograph of that tree. Okay, photography. Photography also one kind of a hobby. Next, see, this boy is sitting here, and what he is doing now? He is doing some painting. So what is the hobby of this boy? Painting. Okay, so here 3 pictures are given. 3 pictures are given, and we have to identify. Can you identify the hobbies of these children? Yeah, we can. So first picture, she is dancing. Second picture, photography. Third picture is what? Painting. So these are the 3 pictures, hobbies of the children. Okay, next listen. Some people enjoy hobbies like clay modeling. Okay, so clay modeling. Do you know about clay modeling? I will say. So, some special hobbies. So, commonly singing, painting, drawing, cycling, skating. Those are the common hobbies. But some are having the special hobbies now. So, in that we discuss about the knitting. Next, we are discussing about the clay modeling. Okay, so clay modeling. Do you know about clay modeling? Listen now. Clay modeling. Clay modeling. Okay, making the models, different kinds of shapes by using clay. Clay modeling also one good and important hobby. Okay, clay modeling and making the clay models of toys and other things. Some people also enjoy activities like baking. Baking also one kind of hobby. And do you know, some are with fun, they are enjoying their hobby, and moreover they are changing that hobby to their profession. Okay, profession means nothing but the work. Profession is nothing but the work. Making their profession. For example, a woman have habit of baking. Okay, and in that, because of that habit, she is maintaining a bakery. Now that baking is her profession. With fun, with happy, with joy, she likes the baking, habit of baking. But that only her work now. She is baking the cakes and she is maintaining a bakery. Okay, for example, you take a photography. That is also for fun, for happy they are taking the pictures, and in that, because of that interest, and he or she making that photography into his profession. Hobbies are changed like a profession also. Okay, so if they have habit of photography, and in the future he also maintaining a photo studio, make her hobby to a profession. Okay, like a work. Next, paper quilling and bird watching. Paper quilling. So it is also one different hobby. What is that? Paper quilling. Paper quilling. paper filling. So what is meant by paper filling? No, paper filling means a craft activity. What is mean by paper filling? A craft activity. A craft activity in which paper is rolled. In which paper is rolled and shaped to create designs. Okay, paper filling also one kind of habit, it is special hobby. Okay, so what they do, no, paper filling, what they do by using the paper. By using the paper, it is a handicraft. Okay, handicraft activity which paper is rolling to make different shapes and to create designs. For example, here most of the children, they are by using the paper, they are preparing the camera like this photo taking, and some are using that paper and they are preparing the lotus flower. Okay, and some are preparing frogs, while you touch, no, it will jump, and some are preparing the rockets by using the paper. Okay, so what is this hobby is called paper filling. Okay, so bird watching also one kind of activity, one kind of hobby. Okay, some people make their hobbies their profession. Already I told. So because of fun, because of happy, because of glad, they are doing some hobbies, and in that, because of that interest, they make their hobby like a profession. Okay, their livelihood. Okay, that purpose also they are using the hobbies. So I told in this topic with the people who are having the special hobbies. Okay, common hobbies. Yesterday I told, no, common hobbies like singing, dancing, painting, drawing, gardening. Okay, so those are the some common hobbies. Okay, most of the people are having such kind of common hobbies. Okay, isn't it? Okay, most of the people, you take 50 children, in that most 15-20 children are they like playing, they like drawing. Okay, they like painting mostly. Okay, and most of the children, if you take the small children, no, like LKG, UKG kids, if you that, what is your hobby, no? Watching TV. What they are saying? Watching TV. Otherwise they are saying watching Cartoon Network, watching Doraemon. Okay, so like that they will say. Okay, those are called common hobbies. Okay, so if you ask 6 to 7 children, they are saying, oh, my hobby is drawing, my hobby is singing, my hobby is playing. So these are called the common hobbies. Okay, so I given these common hobbies examples in the previous class. Okay, so today what I taught about the special hobbies. Okay, special hobbies. Stamp collection also one special hobby. Okay, different kinds of stamps are there. Different symbols. Okay, with the different designs. Okay, so stamp collection also one kind of a hobby. And one more hobby is reading. Reading also good habit, children. You have to cultivate reading of a reading habit. For example, if you are daily you are watching the papers, no, newspaper. So when you read the newspaper, not only it is useful to read, not only you are improving your power of reading, but also it is useful to know the different meanings, different words. Okay, so for example, today you are watching you are reading the newspaper, no. So in that, so what are the words are hard? The words which are hard. Daily take five words. Collect the 5 words while reading newspaper. Okay, so collect the 5 words which is hard. Okay, take the 5 words. not only newspaper. Okay, if you are taking the story books also, while reading the story books, when you want to very thorough in the reading, you have to read not only your textbook. Not only your textbook, you also cultivate the habit of reading other books also. Especially you are the small children, no? You have interest to read the story books now. So while reading any book or a newspaper, what you have to do? You just take the words are present in the newspaper which is hard. Then automatically you write at least 4 or 5 words. Okay. Then that 5 words you should write in the paper, and you have the dictionary. Each and every house consists of dictionary. If it is not there, you can buy it. Okay. So underline that words you should see in the dictionary, and you know the words. Definitely you are finding each and every word in the dictionary. Okay. So note down that word and write the meaning of that word, and you see it. Okay. You check it in the dictionary. While you are cultivating all this reading habit now, you can improve your reading skill as well as you know the words also. Importance and usage of words also. Better to cultivate this reading habit. As a student, you have to cultivate it. Okay. Wherever you find anything on the boards, anything on the walls, you should read it. Then automatically you are improving your reading skill. Okay. So stamp collection. We are discussing now special hobbies now. Stamp collection. Next knitting. Knitting. Already I told about the knitting now. What is meant by knitting? Knitting means making cloth using a thread or wool. You have, when we are preparation of cloth purpose, we want thread. Okay. So we have to knit it. When you are knitting, automatically we can preparing the thread. By using that thread, automatically we are preparing the cloth. Okay. So knitting hobby, and then photography also special hobby. This is a rare hobbies. Okay. Photography, and then gardening. Again paper quilling, clay models. If they are using the people different, they are using the clay models. Now coming no idol, Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay. The people making the Ganesh idols by using the clay. Okay. How the Ganeshas are different shape. Okay. Different designs they are preparing. Okay. That is called clay modeling. Clay modeling also different type of hobby, special hobby. Okay. Clay modeling, and they are preparing the clay models as well as they can by selling the clay toys in the shops. Okay. His hobby is clay modeling as well as he is maintaining a shop, clay toy shop. Okay. And it is useful for his livelihood also, and make this clay modeling hobby, and again it is turned like it's his profession. Okay. Baking also one special hobby, and also it is like it is converted like it's her profession. Okay. Here paper quilling. See, this girl is making the fishes, flowers by using butterflies by using paper. Okay. Different designs, different models she is preparing. It is paper quilling. Paper quilling also a special hobby. Okay. So like that, paper quilling, bird watching, these are the special needs. Okay. Special hobbies. Different hobbies, special hobbies, common hobbies. What is meant by hobby also I explain. Okay. Hobby is nothing but the activities which we are doing with happy or fun. That is called a hobby. Each and every people, everybody have their own hobby. Okay. So you also having different kinds of hobbies, no? Yeah. So what we discussed in this topic, special hobbies, no? Clay modeling, paper quilling, and then knitting, baking, birds watching. These are the some special hobbies what we discussed. Okay. So what is your homework now? After watching this video, you can write what are the examples I given to you. Okay, write the examples of special hobbies. What is your home task today? After watching this video, you should write special hobbies. Write special hobbies. Okay, write examples of special examples. Write examples of. Write some examples. Some examples of special hobbies. Special hobbies. Special hobbies. Yesterday I given about the common hobbies now. So all are answer for that. What are the common hobbies I given? Like cycling, painting, drawing, singing, dancing, okay, photography. So those are the common. Okay. So special hobbies like knitting, clay modeling, paper quilling. Okay. So those are the special hobbies. Okay. So you write this answer. Simple answer, no? I taught already in this topic. After watching this video, you should answer for this. Special hobby, not common hobbies. What I taught special hobbies, you should answer for that and send. Okay. Thank you.